Hey guys, Coop here. Today I'm going to show you guys how to build the bushing for the cup turner to fit into the PVC pipe that goes into your cup turner. A lot of people have had questions on how to do that. This is a piece of 7/8 inch dowel rod. Let's write that on there. I picked it up at Lowe's. You can get it at Lowe's, Home Depot. And it's cut about an inch long. That's all you need. It's not much bigger than the pipe to go on the inside. So what I do, if you don't have a wood lathe or a metal lathe where you can turn this down, you can do it on a drill. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my drill and I'm going to show you how I do this. You just need a 1/4 inch bolt, just a regular 1/4 inch bolt. This one just happens to have a round head on it. And you just stick it down through there. Put a nut on the other end. Tighten it down. Now you just put it in your cordless drill. If I can find mine, we'll use this one right here. Well, I can't use this one. I got to go get my other one. So I'll pause you guys and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I got my cordless drill. Now, the size PVC pipe that I use is 3/4 inch. So that's what we're making this bushing to fit in. Basically, you just stick it in your drill. Just like so. I just use a piece of 80 grit sandpaper and just sand it. Well, we got to tighten that down. There, that should be tight enough. And tighten that down and just use the sandpaper to sand it. It doesn't take much. Just sand it for a few minutes and check your pipe. It's getting there. Move that motor out of the way. And she's come loose again. Where's my wrench? 7/16, come here. Now it won't come loose. Let's get us a piece of PVC pipe. Try it out. And she's getting there. Kind of awkward trying to do this and filming it at the same time. All right, she's getting there. We just got to keep drilling it down. Let's take it, try it again. She's getting there. She's almost there. Not much more, just a little bit in the middle. Drop my sandpaper. And just a little bit off the back, and we're done. And there you go. Now it's done. Now when you go to put your 5 1/4 inch pipe onto here, you just drop some glue in the end of it and you're done. It's glued. You take it off the drill and use my handy dandy wrench here. And you're done. Now to drill this hole, you can use a 9/64 inch bit. I need my marker. That thing's a piece of junk. Nine 64th inch drill bit, or a 7mm. 7mm will work better if you have one, because it fits the stem really nice and snug. Once you have it done, you just pop some glue in here, let it dry, put it into your pipe, drop your glue on the other end, and it's done. Now we need to get that out of there. What a dodo. Yep. Have to pull that off and get that out somehow, but no biggie. But anyway, now you guys know how to make it. Real simple. Easy to do. There we go. Easy to do bushing for your motor. Alright guys, if you have any comments, questions, feel free to put them below and I'll be more than happy to answer anything you post. With all that being said, you know, we got the social media groups up and going. All the links for those will be down below. You can come over and join us on one of them, all of them, or none of them. It is entirely up to you. I will put the name of this motor so you can copy and paste it on Amazon or eBay in the description of this video. And like I said, these little bushings, you can buy the 7/8 inch dowel rod at Hobby Lobby or Home Depot or Lowe's. And it just takes a few minutes to sand it down. Then it fits right in your pipe, guys. All right. With all that being said, old Coop's pretty much gonna say, Coop out.